Hey everyone, Helmi here and welcome to my next Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make the hipster text on photo effects. This kind of photo effects is quite popular nowadays with some inspirational text on it. Open up your Photoshop and create new document by go to File, New and set the width to 1000 pixels, height to 1600 pixels, resolution to 300 and the background contents to transparent and click OK. Now drag any photo that you would like to use to be your background into the Photoshop and resize it until it fits to our document and hit enter or click the check mark to confirm. Select your move tool and move the image to the spot that you want to as your background. We will apply the blur effect, go to filter, blur and select Gaussian blur. Then set the blur radius to around 2.0 pixels and click OK. Now create a new layer by click on the second last icon at the bottom here. Make sure your foreground color is white. And we're gonna paint this layer, so select your paint bucket tool and click on the document and it will turn to white, and then set the blend mode to multiply, then reduce the opacity to around 15%. Next, you can add some textures to your photo with any textures that you would like. For example, I will go with this one and just drag them down to the Photoshop and resize it into fit our document and hit enter or click the check mark to confirm. Then select the spot that you like. Set the blend mode to multiply and reduce the opacity to around 26%. Now open your adjustment panel. If you doesn't have them, just go to Window and select Adjustment and the panel will pop up. Select the black and white adjustment and click the first icon to create a clipping mask and you can close your panel. Now duplicate your background layer by right click it and select duplicate layer or press Ctrl or Command plus J on your keyboard. Just hit OK and drag the layer to the top of the others. Right click the layer and select rasterize layer, and we are going to convert the image into black and white image by pressing Ctrl or Command plus Shift and plus U on your keyboard and reduce the opacity to around 27%. Now we insert the text. Select your text tool, select the font style, the font size and color to white and type in enjoy. Then select all the characters and click on the characters and paragraph panel toggle and reduce the characters tracking numbers to around 690. Next, select by all your characters and click on the Create Wrap Text button. Hit OK and select the style to arc and the bend to around 65% and hit OK. As you can see, my text is now on the right angle, so we are just going to rotate the text by using Free Transform tool. By go to Edit and select Free Transform tool and just rotate the text into the right angle. Select back your text tool, your font, the font style, the font size and the color to white and type in lives and click the toggle again and reduce the tracking numbers to around 50. Select your text tool once again, your font, the font style, the font size and color to white and type in every moment. Then you can arrange all the text layer. Now I'm going to make a line between the live text. First, create a new layer and select your rectangular marquee tool and draw a rectangle. Make sure your foreground color is white. Select pen bucket tool and click the rectangle you have drawn. By using free transform tool, just transform the rectangle to look like the line shape and move it to the left side of the left text. And if you want to make the line for the right side, just duplicate the layer and move it to the right side of the left text. As you can see, my text lies not in the center. So to center the text, make selection by pressing Ctrl or Command plus A, then select your move tool and click along horizontal centers icon and press Ctrl or Command plus D to remove the selection. After you are done with those lines, you can add some artworks. Here I got some artworks from PageLab HD, the photo editing application for iOS actually, and you can use it for your photo. We will change the artwork color by double click the artwork layer and the layer style option will pop up. Then click on the color overlay. Change the color to white and click OK and OK. Reduce the size and place the artwork to the bottom by using free transform tool. Then we just need to center all of our elements in the photo so it will look neat and nice. We are done. Don't worry about the image, the font and the artwork that I used in this tutorial because I will provide you to download them with the link in the description below. Here are some inspiration photos for you to make with this tutorial.